If you're like me and head out bush with your four-legged mate every chance you get, you're gonna love the new Adventure King's folding dog bed. This little beauty weighs just under 2.5 kilos and comes in a handy carry bag, which takes up less space than a sleeping bag, so it'll pack away neatly in the back of your car. When it's set up, it measures in at 117 centimeters long by 61 centimeters wide and sits 21 centimeters off the ground for the most comfortable night's sleep your furry friend has ever had. With all that space and a weight rating of 50 kilos, it's big and strong enough to make even the big dogs feel completely at home. And if you're at a campsite that requires your pets to stay on a leash, you can chuck a couple of pegs through these holes on the feet and tie your dog to one of the legs. Made from tough 600D polyester with a powder-coated 13mm steel frame, you can be sure it's tough enough to withstand just about anything your dog can put it through. Add the Adventure King's folding dog bed to your camp kit and give your best mate the comfort they deserve every time you go camping.